Children! Children? Wait, I thought we don't even have children. I think we do. No. Oh yeah, 'cause I get it, 'cause we're the hosts. Contestants! I'm so over what's going to happen in this new season thing or whatever. I mean, look at yourself. You look uglier than, I don't know. You have 2 screens. Yeah, that's because I have to have a face and stuff. You have no arms. Don't judge me. Yeah, don't judge anyone. What do you look at? I don't know. Oh, never mind. Not my phone. Wow, how about an intro? No, I was thinking of an intro first. No, oh, everybody quiet. Everyone, get out. Yeah, 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 of course, yeah. This is Objection. Where's the theme song? There's no theme song until episode 2. Okay, cool. Alright, we have to make teams for this new show. Alright, I'm making my own team. I have an own private team. Oh no, you don't! Cubo, get out of here. Thank you. What a weirdo. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna sneak behind you. Hi, everybody. Man, you look ridiculous. Look at your teeth. Look at your being on your team, you're looking more ridiculous than my mom. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna respect my mom. Oh no, you don't. This is my team. I call being captain. Of what? I'm on your team. So am I. This is the white and black team. You know, so I'm Balin, and I'm joining this white and black team. Hey, you have a different color. Ooh. Yes, Cleffy, you can be on here. And I respect you that you don't talk. I wanna join. Yee! Yeah, you can join. We're looking for more teammates. Me! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm looking forward to join this team. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. She looks beautiful. Oh, is it gonna hunt here? Or be quiet. You don't have a crush. Yeah, I know I'm lonely. I'm single right now. I'm looking for one. Whee! I'm looking for one. Ow. Oh, I don't like being hit by a head by a heavy metal valve. I'll be on whatever this team does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, everyone. And now that makes me 10. I'll be 11, and I'll be 12. I'll be 13, and I'll be 14. 15. get to join this team. Us too, yeah. But I can't quit because I want money. Let's have the rest of us join. Yeah. Hoo-hoo. All right. We all have our teams. Now it's time for a challenge. Yeah. Today's challenge is whoever can find my Fidget Rubik's Cube first. You have one of those? Yeah, of course I do. Why not? Yeah. Oh, and also, there's going to be a time limit. 10 minutes. Actually, you know what? That's too much. Let me, hey, what are you doing to my timer? My beautiful timer. 5 minutes. Okay, that's fair. So, if you want to know what my Fidget Rubik's Cube looks like, it's this spiky thing that can transform into anything. Now, it's going to be somewhere, and you have to go find it. Dun, 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 dun. Start! Oh, and if anyone loses their life, there's a recovery center here. Alright? Yeah. And go! Alright, everybody, I want to be the leader. No, I started this team, so I'm going to be the captain of all of you. Alright? Now we have to listen what I say. Go. Oh no, he started. Come on, everyone, come on, let's start looking. I found an orange pullover. Maybe no. Alright, guys. I know where I can start to look. This cardboard box. Yeah, everyone, let's go. Woo! Alright. So we need to find a way inside of the box. Hey, but how are you going to do that? I know OJ's got this stuff. Orange juice? Yeah, see? I really need to be losing weight, huh? Maybe, no, this is the wrong place. Motor oil ought to burn it. Oh, it's going to be. Yeah, does that mean he's eliminator? Recover X-ray. Everybody, I'm back. The other team is so happening to be pretty much failing like the other team. Alright, everyone. So, what we need to do to find his Fidget Cube, I see some colors. You see that? That looks like a spiky grenade. No, it doesn't, Ravioli. Look at it closely. No, don't zoom out. Too late. Now look. 3-leaf clover, I know you want to be helpful in all sorts of ways, but all we have to do is take the pullover off and whoosh, dun 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 dun. Oh my god, I always wanted to play with one of these. Oh, this feels so good. It's relieving my stress now. Now all we have to do is turn it in. There's only 2 minutes left. Come on, everyone. Come on, before the other team spots us. Yeah. Aha! There he is. Come on, everyone. Come on. Aha! Caught you. You have the spiky ball, don't you? Hand it over. Yeah, hand it over, man. Hand it over. Yeah, man, hand it over. Hand it over. I'll do whatever everyone on my team says. Oh no. No, Cliffy wants to sue me. You actually spoken? You're a legend. Yeah, everyone on my team wants to sue me. Alright, come on. We gotta get you out of here. And the spike. Oh, ow. Ow, that hurt me. Ow. Alright, I got it. Carefully. Oh, ow, stop. Oh my god, I'm so close. I can just smell it. Oh, ouch. Help me, everybody, help. Yeah, let's sue him. Oh, I'm out. Nothing like this fresh smell of coffee. Want some? Yeah, sure. Alright, we gotta get to this. Come on, what are you all doing? Stop, they're trying to sue me. Alright, come on, let's do this together. Yeah. 26 minutes. No, 26 seconds. Nice. Stop the timer. Perfect. Thank you for finding it. Oh, it just feels so good to play with it again. Oh yeah. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you so much. You guys are safe from elimination. Yes. While the other team, Team Blue-White. Hey, that's our team name? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Is up for elimination. Now, this is what you do. All you have to do is go to this video, right? Yeah. And then you vote on who you think shall be eliminated. Now look, here are the contestants. X-Ray, Charging Brick, Cleffy, Sharpie, SD card. But wait, we have more. Because there are 15 contestants in this team. Clapboard, outlet, motor oil, VR headset, mask, OJ, container, speaker, color wheel, and iPod. So select who you think shall be eliminated. The next, you have 3 days of voting. But yeah, here are the contestants that are up for elimination. Happy voting, everyone! Peace! Oh, never mind. Peace!